This week, Spain marks a historic milestone: 50 years since the restoration of the crown and the beginning of the nation's democratic transition. At the center of these commemorations will be the new generation of the royal family. Her Royal Highness Princess Leonor and Infanta Sofía, stepping forward once again in a moment of national reflection. The day will open at the Royal Palace, where Queen Sofía will receive the collar of the Order of the Golden Fleece, honoring her decades of service to Spain and to the crown. For Princess Leonor and Infanta Sofía, it will be a deeply symbolic moment, a tribute to their grandmother and to the legacy that shapes their own future roles. Later, the royal family will move to the Congress of Deputies for the central ceremony, 50 years later, the crown in the transition to democracy. There, Leonor and Sofía will accompany Their Majesties as Spain revisits the profound institutional changes that transformed the country's freedoms and civic life. For Princess Leonor, future queen and heir to the throne, this anniversary arrives at a defining time in her public journey, with her training underway and her responsibilities growing. Beside her, Infanta Sofía continues to emerge with quiet confidence, reinforcing the unity and modernity of the royal generation that will guide Spain forward. Together, the sisters will embody the continuity of the crown in a ceremony that honors history while looking toward the future. Subscribe to Newzee, like this video, and turn on notifications. We will live stream the full commemorations, including every moment featuring Princess Leonor and Infanta Sofía.